Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Golden Matrix Group INC. Now the overall structure of the chart is not yet adjusted. As you can see, let me show you the this is the monthly chart and you can see how the overall chart looks like. But what has happened in the last 3 or 4 years is actually quite phenomenal, and that's what we are going to analyze in this particular chart. And you will be surprised or amazed to see the things or the spectacular things that has happened. And I don't know how many of you have even heard about the stock called Golden Matrix Group INC. So do let me know if you heard about this stock and if you know what has happened, and please share experience if you are one of them who have actually enjoyed the move from the lows of 2018. So let's start analyzing this chart, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So from the lows of 2018 to the highs of 2021, this stock has given you a thunderous return of 50,956%. Okay, so I don't know how many of you even heard about this stock, but a staggering return of 50,956% sounds like a joke, but here we have. So things have indeed moved. So this is completely based on the research or whomsoever done their research. I mean, or even just by a fluke, a 50,000% worth of gain in a matter of 2 or 3 years, nobody could have imagined. Okay, forget about cryptocurrencies or rest of the things. If you are getting something like this with the help of a stock, so who want cryptocurrencies? Now the best thing is, even after making a return like this stock is consolidating rather than a correction. It's been consolidating for the last 1.5 years. So this is quite phenomenal, because this is showing strength, and this is not going to measured or calculated with the help of numbers. Okay, so as you can see, from 2020 onwards, 2020 September onwards, it is into the range and it's been consolidating. So let's just first discuss about this range and then we will talk about the rest of the things. So what do we have here? We have 4.44 as your immediate support and $3.43 as going to be your stop loss on the downside. Please do not go below these two levels specifically. And on the upside, the first target we have here is 11.03 or 11.1, and your big target of 15.26 or 15.3. So this is the range that we are going to look at moving forward. Okay, this is the range, and until and unless the stock crossed 15.26 or 15.3, we can't go further or beyond as far as the overall range is concerned. But there is a way to define or talk about the range. Okay, there is a way to analyze it or to forecast the range, and there is an exception as well, that the first thing we don't know here is how long the consolidation is going to happen. But if I draw a line like this, you will see that probably couple of months down the line you will see these kind of moves within the range of 3.43 and 15.26 or 15.3. This is a possibility that I'm talking about. Okay, so even if it will go to 15.6, there is a possibility that it may falls down again. So enjoy the range meanwhile. But as far as the big trend is concerned, or whenever the stock moves beyond 15.6, the trend or the big price action which we are looking here, and I am doing the analysis way before than anybody is going to do, because if you are looking at this particular trend, so this trend is not yet completed. Why I am saying this? Because this is happening like this, and it will happen until and unless it reaches this particular line. Okay, the support line, and that's why there is a possibility that in the next 5 or 6 months or 7 months the same trend is going to repeat again, and once it touches this line, the big trend which we are going to look at will be in between 61, and here we are, $300. I know the range is quite extended, but this is how things will probably look like going forward, and that's why we are excited to see or analyze this kind of stock, because you can't see this kind of stock even for the sake of analysis on regular basis. This is a rare of the rarest. Okay, 50,000% is not at all a joke. I mean, it sounds crazy, everybody wants to crave for these kind of stocks, but it is hard to find, and whomsoever got it, congratulations to them. And what I can say, do share your analysis, share your experience at least in the comment section, so that we all get to know about your best experiences. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.